Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sections on Etsy website. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and from that page you'll find this sentence, welcome back, and with your name or your username if you are logged in into your account. Of course, if you are not, or if you don't even have an account, you can just go and you'll find an option here at the top right corner, sign in. Click on it to log in into your account or to create your account. Of course, you'll be to do both options with the Facebook account, Google account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account or created your account, as we said, you'll find yourself here at this home page with the welcome back sentence. Of course, if you want, as we said, to add some listing or sections to your shop, simply you'll need to go to the shop manager by clicking at the shop icon at the top right corner at the left of your account icon. From that will actually take you into this page, and from here you'd like to go to the listing section at the left here options. So once you click on that, you'll need to wait until it loads. Of course, you'll find here all the items that you are selling at your shop. Of course, if you want to add some sections, simply, or even if you want to edit your existing sections, you can just go to the settings icon at whatever item, and you'll be able to edit it, copy it, deactivate it, or even renew it. Of course, you can even change the section, share it, or delete it, or you can even see the stats of it. So as we said, if you want to add sections, simply at the top right corner we'll have an option, add listing. If you click on it, you'll need to fill whatever you want here, and of course when you're finished, just hit the publish button. For me, I'm just going to hit cancel, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.